Welcome back students. In this video lesson, we will learn menu driven program. Before going to program, we will learn the algorithm of menu driven program. A list of tasks are displayed as menu for the user using printing statements. So we will simply print the tasks. Then user will choose whichever task to be performed. Then programming codes are written to perform all the tasks using selection statement to match the options given. Here we can use switch case statement or if else statement. That depends on the question given. When given choice is matched with the option for the task, that particular task will be performed. In case user gives a wrong choice, then appropriate message is displayed using printing statement. So if it is switch case we are using, then it will be in default, otherwise in else part. We will create a menu driven program for two tasks, that is to find the factorial of given number. The other one is to accept a number and print its factors. So it should print appropriate message for wrong input given by the user. Let us go to the program. I will create a class called menu. To take the input from the user, I will import scanner class. So import java dot util dot scanner class menu. We will declare the variables. For choice, we need integer variable. So int ch I give for choice, and then we are going to find the factorial and factors of given number. So we need a number to take. So for that I will give n as the variable. To use in a loop, I will give I. Now let us create object for scanner class. Now we are going to print all the menus available here. So let us print. So I am just giving menu, and in the new line it will print option 1 as to find factorial, and then again in new line 2 will be to find factors, and also we will say enter your choice. Now we will take the input from the user, that is we have given as choice, right? Ch is equal to sc dot next int of. After taking the choice from the user, we have to take a decision to which choice to be executed. For that we will use switch case here. So switch, then that will be choice here. If user enters 1, and then we will give case 1, for that the program code for finding the factorial of that number. Here we need one more variable called f for factorial we will take. So int f is equal to 1 we will initialize. Now we should take the input from the user for the number which factorial is required. For that we will give system dot out dot println of, we can say enter the number to find factorial. So we can give just print here. We have already declared as n. So n is equal to sc dot next int of. We already learned how to find factorial in previous program. We have to use for loop. So for I is equal to 2, I is lesser than or equal to n. So up to n it will do. Then I plus plus. So here f is equal to f into I. So this will find the factorial. Now we will print the factorial. N is the given number plus we will write the factorial symbol here, and then also equal to, then plus f. Let us have one more space here. Then after this we will write break statement. If we forget break, and then case 2 also will get executed, so we should not forget break. Now I will write case 2 for the second choice. Case 2. We need a user input for find the factors of a number, so I will just copy this and paste here. Then later this I will write a code to get the factors of the number. If given number is divisible by a number, and then the divisor is called a factor, including 1 and the number itself are factors. To print all the factors, we will give the for loop and find whether a number is divisible or not. So I starts from 1, I is lesser than or equal to n, then I plus plus. If n mod I is equal to 0, it is a factor. So we will print the factor. So we will give system dot out dot println of, so I plus 1 comma we will give. We can also add one sentence here. Factors of plus I'll give n. So that is the n number given, or so it will print factors are, and then the same line it will print. So in same lines I take this ln. Now we will break this. Now we should not forget to give the default statement. We will give invalid input. So here we copied, both are factorial. Let us change this, enter the number to find factors. Let us compile this. So enter your choice. I enter as 1. Enter the number to find factorial. We know 120 is for 5, so I give 5. The answer is right. Now let me check for the second case. I am giving 2 as the input. So factors. Now I say 21. So factors of 21 are, it is given there. Now let us also check by giving invalid choice. I give 5 for example. So invalid input it says. Always we can expect one menu driven program for the board examination. The task given may be different, but most probably there will be one menu driven program. Students, I hope this would have been very useful for you to learn menu driven program. Keep watching my channel. Learn well. Thank you, students.